In today's recipe, I'll be showing you guys how to turn these into these. Hello everyone, Chapari here and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on notifications for more amazing content every single week. And today we're going to be making these cute pink and white cupcakes with this beautiful pink and white frosting and some gold leaf on top. So here are all the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. That's margarine, sugar, flour, eggs, vanilla, and some strawberry essence. So in a large bowl, start by combining some all-purpose flour and some baking powder and give that a really good mix. Set that aside and then we can now start to work on our eggs. Personally, we use kienyeji eggs. Sometimes there is a chance of the eggs having gone bad. So I suggest you crack the egg into one bowl and then add it to the other, just to make sure you don't have any rotten eggs in the mix. This is very important. Just make it a habit more and more frequently. Add in some vanilla, and then to some margarine you wanna add in some sugar. Screw on your hand mixer attachment or stand mixer, whichever you have, or you could even do this by hand, just need a little bit of strength. It is a bit of workout, but as long as you whip it for long enough, for at least even 20 minutes, you're doing it by hand, it'll be fine. Whip it until the margarine starts to look really nice and fluffy along with the sugar. And then you want to make sure you keep scraping down the bowl every couple of minutes just to get rid of that excess nini on the sides of the bowl so that everything gets fully mixed in together. Add in your eggs one at a time and mix until fully incorporated, and then turn off your mixer, and everything after this will be done by hand. So we're going to add in some flour and then start to fold that in gently with a spatula. Please, if you're using even if it's a wooden spoon, please do this as gently as possible. We do not want to form a lot of gluten in this batter. Add a bit of milk, and if your batter is feeling a little bit thick, and then give everything a really good fold up. Now divide the batter. You now want to just line our cupcake cases, and I read somewhere that if you add rice to the bottom of your cupcake liners, it helps soak up that excess oil. So I decided to try it out, but they still ended up really oily at the bottom, even oilier than they usually are. So that was a bit of a concern. Add in your cupcake cases, and then you want to divide your batter and to pink and white, and then to the pink batch you wanna add in some strawberry essence or some pink food coloring. I just wanted a bit of that strawberry flavor. It's not very strong, but it gives it a nice soft pink color. Set that aside, and then you can now gently start to marble the cake batter into these muffin cases. And you could do this any way you like. If you like to pipe, you do it. But personally, just to save space and some batter, just go in with a spoon, do a spoon of each, and then scoop them in. I like to do 3 layers. I do white, then pink, or white, then pink, then white. That's completely confusing, but just layer, and then you want to pop these into 165-degree fan assisted oven. Fan really helps for them not to get brown on the top, and just gives them a little bit of a nice bright color, and it's more visually appealing for the audience, obviously, and for whoever is enjoying them. But if you don't have the fan option, which is not very common for recent cookers or ovens, just do 180 degrees. Bake for around 22 to 25 minutes, just until they're nice and bake through, and when you stick a toothpick or a skewer in it, it comes out clean. And this is how they look. Let them fully cool on a wire rack or in the cupcake cases until they're nice and chill. Then in the meantime, we can start to make our whipped cream frosting. So you're gonna start by adding in some cream, some vanilla, and some powdered sugar into your whipping cream, and you wanna whip it until it's really stiff. If you don't like whipped cream per se, you can use buttercream, but my family hates buttercream with a passion, and even though it was for an order, most of my orders I like to do them with whipped cream because most people do prefer the taste of whipped cream. So design this any way you'd like. I personally went on with a 2D tip on the pink frosting, and then I did a small 1M tip with the white frosting and just went at it. I did some stars, I did some wiggles, I did some combination of rosettes and stars. Just let your creative juices flow and do anything you'd like to do with these. If you guys would like to show on my Instagram, I'll just share some images of each individual one, so make sure you follow me. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this amazing video. Top with gold. Turn on notifications for more amazing content every single week. and I'll see you guys next Monday.
You're the dummy.
What do you mean? The last time we ate a mukimo, don't you do
Enjoy
that?
the cupcake. Forget the mukimo thing. Are you eating mukimo right now?
No, I'm not even take a scoop out of it to do.
Yes. Ati to do, huh? Aku?
A slow-mo eating. No.
For cake.
For mukimo.
Hey!
And then he's saying I was crying. I need machoke. And he's saying I was crying.
I'm sorry, but that's
I don't even got there when you put Silang.